Good evening, Redbox family. I'm just adding a quick update to my video that I already filmed for you, but please bear with the first minute and a half because unfortunately, I didn't realize that I had my screener on in the background. So you're going to hear like ocean wave sounds with me talking over. You can hear me fine, so I'm not going to spend the time to record it because I actually have a severe migraine right now, but want to get this out to you. But if you can bear with that, it's actually great information. So I hope that you're willing and able to watch it, and apologize for that. I caught it when I did the second half. So the rest of it's fine. But anyways, guys, I hope that you all had a wonderful day today. It was a wild ride, to say the least. I'm not a bit surprised. There's nothing I'm going to put past them right now. This dark pool, the trades that we've been doing in the dark pool are absolutely insane. Over 70%, guys, every day. I checked it a few times today. It was between 68 and 74% when I was checking it. So I'm sure we probably ended the day higher. I will update you guys on Twitter because I do not want to film another segment. I have to do a quick update on the rest of my stocks, which I'm going to do in the form of a watch list, because I have to get up at, 3:30 a.m. unfortunately to take my daughter to the airport tomorrow because she likes to go away every weekend in the summer. Who can blame her? But anyways, so I'm not feeling well and want to get to bed, but want you to get this. So I hope you understand about my little flaw. Please like and subscribe and have a great night, guys. Good evening, Redbox family. I just wanted to bring you a quick update to let you know where we stand as far as the golden crossover goes. And guys, tonight I made the line green instead of purple because I just wanted the contrast with the green and the red so that people can see what they're looking at, because I've been told by some people that they can't see the cursor in my videos. So I'm trying to highlight right now the green, which is the 50 SMA. And the red is my 200. As you can see, we're just making the cross and we're not completely over yet, which leads me to believe that that move down at the end of the day today was to try to prevent this crossover. But guys, I am very bullish going into tomorrow that we do complete this cross and we do continue making moves up. As you can see, after this nice little candlestick here on the daily, we got a big green candle and then today a doji. So it's an basically indecision when you see a doji, and which would make sense because what did we do for the day? We were very indecisive according to the chart. We were down initially, we went back up, and then we came down to close the day down 2 cents, which is pretty much flat. So that created this doji candle, and I still am very bullish that tomorrow we will go and finish the day in the green because, guys, the social sentiment for Redbox is becoming strong again. I was looking at comments today, which I don't even normally do, but I wanted to see if people were still talking about it. So I went on Webull, I went on StockTwits, and you better believe that it is getting talked about. Let me show you something. Okay guys, this is Google Trends, and I like to use this because it gives me a very good idea when something starts to trend again. And as you can see from the most recent data, we have just been going up, 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 up. And look we're at 100% on the interest over time, guys, for Redbox. So this is the most interest that there has been since way back in October. I'm sorry, nope, it was going into December. Redbox was trending, and that may have just been people looking up to get videos over the holiday vacation. I'm not sure if it had something to do with the stock or not, but it is possible. However, I'm pretty certain that right now it is trending due to the interest regarding the short squeeze. And as you can see, it's the highest it has ever been, guys. And the most popular areas that are searching for it, Number one, believe it or not, is Idaho. Now let's take a look, because some people type in Redbox and others type in RDBX. Let me see if there's something that comes up when I type it in as RDBX. Interestingly enough, when I type it in as RDBX, I don't think many people are searching that way, guys, because it's the complete opposite. Which is interesting, though, because you notice when it had its peak the last couple times, it did go way up. And currently it went up over the holiday weekend, well, July 2nd, that past week, and then it's been trending down again, guys. So either people don't need to Google it because they already know what it is, or it's falling off the beaten path here, which I don't tend to believe. I believe they may be searching by Redbox if they're new to this play, and that these people may already know what this play is. But then again, it's something I want to pay attention to over the next week, because if I start to see this spike again and the other one fall off or stay where it is, then I know that something's up, because this is very odd to me. But clearly there's not enough data this way, because it doesn't show me anything by region. But I am intrigued by this, and will continue to look at it both ways. But let's try to stay positive and hope the first way was the right way. That people are looking if they are not familiar with the stock, because there's no reason that any of us watching this video would do a Google trend search, because we already know what Redbox is, right? This would be people that are new to the play. So I'm guessing that a lot of people probably already know what it is and are aware. So that could be the reason it's fallen off this way. But it's interestingly enough, people that aren't familiar very much with the stock market, that hear people talking about Redbox, are going to type in Redbox. They're not going to type in, $ RDBX. It's just, that's somebody who obviously knows they're looking for a stock ticker. So very interesting to see the different comparison. But also yesterday we were trending on StockTwits, and I showed you that we were also trending by Will Mead on Twitter. So guys, I believe that we will have volume coming into Redbox. However, I am seeing a sentiment that is quite strong in the comments, and that is people believe that they want to see the stock hold 650 before they get into it. So I believe that's also why we struggled to get there today, because I'm sure that, like I'm reading the comments, guess who else is reading them, guys? That's right, our lovely market makers. So tomorrow, our goal is to push through 650 and to hold through 650. I would love to see the week close above 7. That would be very bullish in my opinion. But we definitely need that 650 to get more people into our play, guys, because that is definitely what I'm seeing amongst bulls and bears that want to enter this play. But like I said, I'm very confident that we will continue upwards still. Nothing has changed as far as the short interest goes. Let's take a look. Okay, guys, this is our Ortex data. As you can see, we're still on the threshold list, and our short interest is still over 150% at 151.06%, 5.96 million shares short. We did go down by negative 1.54%. So there was a little tiny bit of short covering today, guys. Again, still nothing compared to the big picture here. So there were 255.1 thousand shares borrowed and 393.1 thousand shares returned for a complete return of 138,000. The cost to borrow still remains above 500 at 562.23% with a max of 652.66% and a minimum of 534.85%, guys. So the minimum is actually going up, which I like to see. I suspect that, if we continue to go in an uptrend, the cost to borrow will head back towards 1,000%. That's my expectations. But guys, this is still very bullish. Obviously, nothing's changed. Shorts have not covered, so the play is still intact. I have also been getting many questions regarding whether the Redbox and CSSE merger is still going through. Guys, as of this time, it still is. I am seeing seeing rumors speculating on Twitter that I have not confirmed, that there is litigation currently regarding the fact that Redbox did not act in the best interest of its shareholders, which I tend to believe, guys, because obviously a sell under for a less than $1 per share when the stock was trading well above that is crazy and definitely not in the best interest of shareholders. But then again, if the company went bankrupt, then it'd be a whole different story, right? But that litigation could tie things up even longer and give us even more time to run. Again, this is not a concern because why, guys? Because we need to wait for more filings that will come out, and we will know that that Redbox and CSSE are going to close the deal. Okay, we're going to see more things come, and until then, I am not worried about that. Now, if it gets close to October, then I'm going to start to be a little bit worried and not really want to go to bed with this play, just to be certain. But again, we will see more filings before then, so I don't even think that's going to be an issue. And in my honest opinion, I don't think that shorts are going to continue to stay in this play, especially if they learn that there is some sort of litigation regarding this, guys, because then it becomes not really in their best interest to pay that high cost to borrow, knowing that the deal might fall through, right? So I guess there's a few positive ways to look at that. So anyways, guys, that's just my quick update for you tonight regarding Redbox. I hope you all have a wonderful evening, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already.